We are here to share valuable insights to help you thrive in your entrepreneurial journey. Today, we're diving into the top 5 things you absolutely need to know how to do as a business owner. Let's get started. Number 1, website and product inspection. It's crucial to regularly check your website and online products. Ensure everything is running smoothly. Are your discount codes up to date? Is your website optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile? Take a quick Google search to ensure your products are showing up. Use Google plugins like Google Analytics, Google Merchant, Google AdSense, and Google Search Console to monitor your website effectively. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Here's a tip. Google Analytics provides you a free, comprehensive, hands-on online practice training to understand their analytics tools for monitoring your website's traffic. It's pretty intuitive. Follow the links to the training in our description box below. Number 2, social media mastery. Be confident in posting on all your social media channels. Make use of Meta Business Suite's free content planner to schedule your daily content, to expand your global reach, and learn how to boost your ads on social media platforms. It doesn't have to break the bank. You can start with as little as $1 per day to boost your social media posts and to run ads to promote your products and services on social media to grow your audience and increase your sales. Just have your social media fixed price marketing strategy in place. Need help creating captivating posts? Check out canva.com for some cool design templates. You can customize templates to fit your business needs for Facebook and Instagram posts, stories, and reels, and for many other social media channels like YouTube, Pinterest, and Twitter. Number 3, sales tracking savvy. Keep a close eye on your sales across all channels, including Amazon and your own website. Ensure everything is in order and your pricing is competitive. Take a moment to glance at your competitor's website. Are they running any promotions or sales that you should consider? Stay informed and make timely adjustments. Number 4, bit.ly.com know-how. Make it easier for your customers to get to you. Use bit.ly.com to shorten your website and product links. Create free QR product scanning codes and to discover where your website traffic is coming from. This free tool provides valuable insights that can shape your marketing strategy. Number 5, daily accounting management. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes each day to manage your books. This practice ensures your financial records stay organized and accurate. Don't risk losing receipts or forgetting important details. Here's a bonus tip just for you. Snap pictures of your business receipts right away and email them to your business email address for safekeeping. Download the free Cam Scanner app to your phone to quickly turn your captured receipts into quick PDFs. With consistent account management, your books will be clean and the IRS will love you. Your life will be easier. So there you have it, the top 5 essential skills every business owner should master on a daily basis. Always inspect your business and maintain full knowledge of how to run your business before handing over these key components to an employee. By doing so, you'll be prepared, even if unexpected challenges arise. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Join us again to live, learn, and create.